Hello guys, come back to Didik channel, Didik Mariono channel. About what? About Spring Boot. Okay, last time I present you about how to create REST API with Kotlin Spring Boot, and now I will present to you about Spring Database Security Role and Permission. Request from Hariyansah Eko Santoso 3 months ago, guys, but now I already to create that. Why 3 months ago? Because I have more work in my office. So now I already create in this time. Okay, let's begin. The first time, don't forget you visit in the star.spring.io, and then after that, okay, this time I will use Java. Last time I used Kotlin. Not different, but is complicated Java. Kotlin is simple, but I will try in Java. Okay. Don't forget you also. I hope you also visit the apps ID, because my new website still built and Lintas Verna are still ongoing also. Okay, like that. Project use Maven project and language Java, and then Spring Boot version is 2.2.7. I use group name is the apps ID, artifact is demo out sign up, name demo out sign up, and description demo out sign up. Packet name like that. Packaging I use jar, and Java version is X. Okay, and then click generate. Yeah, download. We can open like that and extract, and please open in your Spring Boot. Last time I already showed you in the how to create REST API with Kotlin Spring Boot. Okay guys, we already open this project from springboot.io in the internet. I'm sorry, last I call Spring Boot. I mean it's Intellect ID, Intellect community. And after you open, you can view like that. The name is demo out sign up, and the file name in like that. The first time main test in the main is Java, the apps and the runtime like that. And then resource database application dot properties. Okay, the first time you must add dependency in the pom.xml. Oh, who is the dependency? What is the dependency must be add in the pom.xml. Some dependency you must add in this place. Okay, in this. Okay, the first dependency is yeah, we will check Spring Boot starter already, starter test already in this, and then because we open in the web version, we must add the dependency for web starter default like that. Then the second, we use Jasper because we use JSP to view in the web. And then we use JSTL because we create some code security in the JSP. And then don't forget to add JPA repository, communicate with our database. And then for the security role and other, we need to use Spring Boot starter. And then the last You can use MySQL or MariaDB, but this time I use MariaDB. Okay. Uh, okay. The Maven plugin is Maven plugin where? Maven plugin. Maven plugin are ready. In the IntelliJ community new version, we can automatically import or enable import dependency, or we can click this. You can look this Maven to import automatically to refresh what Maven changes. Okay. And then automatically the new dependency loaded. Okay, wait, uh, still loading, and we can add some packets because we need some packet, like the first is model, yeah, model, and then second is repository. uh, eh I'm sorry, mistake. Repository. Okay, the third is service. uh, yeah, and then validator to validate user, and then control for web. I use name. Okay guys, after we add dependency in the pom.xml, the first we must create model. Yes, we have two model, role model and user model. User like this. Okay, role model. The first is add entity to create a table automatically, and the table name is I use tb user. I'm sorry, tb role. Then the first create id generate value automatically with strategy generate identity like this, and the variable name is id with type long type, and then private the name of role name, private string name like this, and then uh, relation with the user, but map map id is the name is role. Okay, and private variable is set user. Set to import set user, the name is users like this, and get id, set id, get name, set name, get user, and set user like that. Okay, role is done, role model, and then after that user entity, table name is tb tb user like this. Okay, the first is id generate value with strategy generate identity. The variable name is id with long type, and then private string username, private string password, and
Transition for password confirmation, string password confirmation. Oh, password confirm. Password confirmation is good name. I mean, is password just password confirm like this. Okay, apply get ID and set ID. Apply get username, set username, get password, set password, get password confirm, set password confirm. Oh, we must add one again. Many to many relation with the role. Provide set roles name. Okay, add this and add again get role, set role like this. Okay, user and role model is done, and then we create repository. Okay guys, after we create the model, role and user, we create repository for role and user. Okay, the first is role repository like this. Then, oh yeah, I'm sorry because it's public interface, not class. And then extend the GPR repository because we use GPR repository. Role, model role, yeah, and long for ID. And then the next is user repository. Interface, don't forget. And GPI oh, I am sorry, I remember about Kotlin, but in the Java use extend GPI repository like this. And then user, and import and long. Okay, like this. After that, we create service.